Hey guys, it's Mason. In today's video we're going to be talking about this Electron Pro V2 Bear kit here, going over what comes in the system and what you can expect out of it. So let's get into it. So here it is. Everything you see does come with it besides the cart and then this stand. So we do sell those stands, but that would be additional and doesn't come with our base Bear kit. So here on our controller we have KV and current control separately, however you want. You can control these completely individually from each other. You have different programs, so if you like a certain program that you're doing, so say you're doing something somewhat complicated and you have your KV low and your microamps pretty low and you want to get back to it just by pressing a few buttons, you can hold this button here until it starts flashing there. Save it to a program you want. Save it to program 4. Hold it again. It'll flash a little faster. And now it is saved. So what that means is when you go to, and if you go to change it really, you go to any other program you want, any of our presets here, you can hit this folder button and go back to that number 4, that setting that you liked there. So that's what it is as far as setting programs on here. Obviously you can't set programs for our 2 air settings because they're ran off analog regulators and they're not ran digitally like they are on our master system here. Coming back to the programs, we have 3 factory presets. So what these do is change the KV and microamps. So for our flat part, this is our flat part, this is our 2-coat or multi-coat, and this is our complicated part. You'll see as we change between these, just our microamps are changing. So what that does is by lowering microamps, we can have better penetration on those complicated parts without just wanting to stick onto the very easy surfaces or back ionizing on you. So that's something nice that they provide you with, is those 3 factory presets. Since our air settings are controlled by regulators, they work independently from each other. So as you increase the air here, it has no effect on the air here and vice versa. What this red line does is this is sometimes called our suction line or a conveying or a powder transfer. This creates the suction. So going through this pump, this creates the suction that pulls the powder from our hopper or from our pickup tube if we're using a box feed. What the blue line does, so the blue control here, this pushes the powder through our powder hose here, making sure it stays suspended all the way through, and then it creates a nice finish out of the nozzle of our gun there. The gun on the Pro V2 does not have a remote like the Master does. We could put a remote on it. It works just the same as the Master as far as your toggling between these two and plus and minusing between these two in our programs. But yeah, from factory, our base Bear kit does not have a remote on the back of the gun. So besides our controller and our gun, we also have the pump, which we kind of just talked a little bit about. This is what creates the suction and the blowing for our powder cloud control. We have our hopper. So this is our standard 1-pound hopper that comes with all of our Bear kits. It has our fluidization line running into it, and we're actually fluidizing right now. If you guys can see it, see how fluid it is in there. But yeah, so that's how that's set up. Comes with a free stand for it too. And then our fluidization control is over here by our filter. So we have our main air in, so we have just a 1/4-inch QD going into our main air here. The back of the unit, we have this plug, that plugs in the back of the unit over there. And then this is how we control our fluidization. So we set our regulator, and then we fine tune it with this flow valve here. So that is pretty much it as far as the Pro V2 Bear kit here. They're a fairly simple system, but that's intentional. They're ready to go as far as powder coating. All you need is compressed air, power, and then a good ground rod to connect the ground strap from the back of the unit to. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any more questions. I'd be happy to help you out. And thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.